how to manually update the Google Play Store on your Android device to the latest version. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to About and tap on Play Store version. If an update is available, you'll see a prompt to update the Play Store. Tap on Update to start the update process. If your Play Store is already up to date, you'll see a message indicating that. If you didn't receive an update prompt or prefer another method, you can manually download the latest Google Play Store APK. Open the browser and search for the latest Google Play Store APK on a trusted site like APK Mirror. Now download the APK file and install it on your device. Make sure Install from Unknown Sources is enabled in your device's settings. And that's it. Now you know how to manually update the Google Play Store on your Android device to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might find it useful.